Hey everybody, my name is Greg Del Hierro. I'm a deck designer and we are here at the West End Wine Bar and Pub to check out our recent deck build. Why don't you follow me and we'll take a look. Now this is a 100-year-old building, historic in fact. The client had brought us in to reimagine this outdoor space and see how we could enhance the customer experience. Originally, the space out here was a patio which had 3 to 4 steps down, which really did make it difficult for servicing the clients. So as a designer, we had to figure out how to utilize the space a little better. So a deck made perfect sense, a smooth transition for customer service. And another benefit of building a deck versus having a patio is elevating the space for a beautiful view. This is the Trex Signature line of decking, which is their top-end luxury decking. May not be used for every project, but it was the perfect product for this job. This being an historical building, the client really wanted to preserve that look, and therefore the Trex Signature decking really made sense for its refined look. And in our opinion, the Trex Signature decking has the most authentic looking wood grain. In addition to just looking great, Trex Signature decking offers a ton of additional features. For example, its durability, which makes it great for this commercial space with lots of traffic, drinks getting spilled. If this was wood, that would be a mess. Stains and scratches are not unique to a commercial space, and that's why our residential clients love this product too. Another great feature that applies to both commercial and residential spaces is its low maintenance. This restaurant doesn't have to close to sand and stain, and neither do you. And probably the best feature is the 50-year warranty. Especially as a consumer, you won't have to worry about rotting, warping, or splintering for at least 50 years. In conclusion, Trex really is the best of form and function, whether you're a commercial project or residential.